Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up automatic payments with Progressive. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Things to Do. On this page, you will see an option for Billing and Payments. Click on Billing and Payments. Now at the bottom part of the Billing and Payments page, you will see an option for Enroll in Automatic Payments. Click on Enroll in Automatic Payments. Then now, select the payment account type, either checking account or credit/debit card. Once selected, read the fee acknowledgement, then click on the tick box beside I accept the terms. After that, click on Continue. Then here, enter all the required information. So in this video, I choose to add a checking account. If you selected the other option, enter all the necessary information to add your selected payment method. Then click on Continue. Review the following information. If everything looks good, click on Continue. Lastly, you need to sign the document. Click on the Sign Document button to proceed, then just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be finally enrolled in automatic payments. That's how you set up automatic payments with Progressive. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.